I'm Goodman Zulu, and I'm production supervisor at Premier Durban. I'm also doing this supervisors program called SCORE, and I've learned quite a lot about how to deal with people and also about myself, my weaknesses and my strength, and how to use those or to improve on the weaknesses and how to use more of the strength. I had a personal growth project that I had to go back into the group and implement it. It was maximizing the team muscle. I wanted everyone to have valuable input on the team so that we can all perform or outperform, because that was my personal goal. I wanted to outperform. Now, what I figured was my weakest link in the group was actually I had to focus on that person and shift them from where they were working and put them in another position so that they can maximize their talents and use them for the team so that they work better. So when I did that, I saw instant success, because where we had issues, we no longer had those issues. He was performing very well, and that made me very happy. But a valuable point that was brought to me by my manager, he said that you must not reward bad behavior, because you're going to give a task to someone and they're not going to do it well, and you're going to move them somewhere else, and then they're going to say, yeah, I'm doing this one better because I like it. So that also gave me some insights. But it has worked very well for me, and I'm hoping that I can continuously improve through this program. Thank you.